Where was the Prime Minister? Where was he? Why wasn't a Cobra meeting convened? Why was there no national leadership from this government? Why has the Welsh Government and communities in Wales not received the same extra support as those in England? During the general election, the Prime Minister reluctantly visited floods-hit communities to win votes. He was out with his mop, pushing water around shops, but now he's got his majority, he's nowhere to be seen, he's missing in action. He was taking a break in a mansion in Kent instead of giving our nation the leadership those communities underwater genuinely deserve.